What you having, babe?
We just had our delivery from IKEA. Bang bang, everything over there.
Bang, bang.
And the panel, of course, for the fridge didn't fit in the elevator, so I had to cut it outside, which meant I had to measure it now, which meant I had to wrap it now, which meant I had to use it. And the elevator broke.
So you're putting
I'm gonna have
vodka
some
with your...
Arbonne
Yeah.
BCAAs. Actually, these taste delicious. I had one the
What kind
other
of
day.
flavor is it? It says on the
I
front.
don't know. Mixed berry.
Mixed berry.
Pour it in here.
Delish.
And I'm gonna have a berry party. And forget what I just went through.
When our two businesses combine on day 2.
Oh, thanks, Arbonne.
Steve,
Miss Arbonne.
I love you.
Love you, babe. Hey guys, Steve Whitecrest, kitchen's coming together. Backsplash is coming tomorrow. We decided last minute to upgrade the light to match the new vanity in this powder room. So there is touch-ups because of taking out a shelf and because the other light had left impressions in the wall. So I wanted to show you this jig. It's real quick. Piece of cardboard, tape it on the wall. Under here is just a piece of cardboard that holds like that, so that when you start sanding, up and down motion, small circles, all your dust is falling here and you don't have to worry about major cleanup later on down there. Steve, Kara, Whitecrest Renos, just about finished this beautiful makeover. A friend of ours, Marilyn. Kara designed the color scheme, of course. This is sparkling, as you can see it twinkles. Sparkling gray, matching backsplash. Just about finished. New cupboards, of course. New floor. And